Ever wondered how websites manage to display those clean, professional looking event listings, complete with dates, locations, and registration options? Well, today I'll show you exactly how to create your own events in WordPress using a powerful free plugin called WP Event Manager. Let's get started. First, head over to your WordPress dashboard. From the sidebar, click on Plugins, then select Add New. In the search bar, type WP Event Manager. Once it appears, click Install Now and then hit Activate. After activation, you might see a setup wizard. Don't skip it. This quick guide helps you create all the necessary event pages automatically, like the event listings page, submission form, and single event details page. Just follow the on-screen prompts to complete the setup. Now, you're ready to create your first event. Go to Events Greater Than. Add New in your dashboard. Here, you can add your event title, description, and event details such as date, time, and location. You can also include organizer information, ticket links, or even upload a featured image to make your event stand out. Once you've filled in everything, click Publish, and your event will instantly appear on your events page, fully functional and beautifully formatted. And that's it. In just a few minutes, you've created a complete professional event listing right inside WordPress, no coding required. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to check out more tutorials like this to take your WordPress skills even further. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.